Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I have a vintage junk journal supply haul to share with you. I haven't been in a while, and I really wanted to do that for one of my things for Mother's Day weekend. So I went out yesterday and I found a lot of great deals. Almost everything that I purchased was super cheap to begin with, but then a lot of the places had certain colors 50% off, and I just happened to find those things, which is a rarity. Usually what I find is not the thing that's on sale. So I found a lot of cool things that I'm going to use for upcoming projects, for things that are going into my Etsy shop. So be on the lookout for that. Be sure to follow me here by subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also, you can follow me on Instagram because I try to post things as I'm working on them. I am Creative Crafticality on Instagram as well. So to start off, I found some really cute, I found this tiny little golden book. Doesn't have the edging on it, but usually I deconstruct the cover to make the little book. And this one is a Bambi book, really cute. And then I found 3 Telltale books that I'll be using to make little journals. I found the Cinderella one. This one, I won't be able to use it in its entirety. I'll be able to use the cover. I'll have to cover up the cover, and there's only a few pages in here that I'll be able to use because somebody liked to draw in it. So I'll use whatever pages I can use that don't have anything drawn on it, and then I'll use the cover. That'll make a really cute little book. I'll add in, you know, of course, all the other pages that I usually do in my little golden book journals. I also found my little book of dinosaurs. This is really cute, and it's in great condition. Really super cute book. So that's adorable. Then I found this, my little book about our flags. This will make a great little 4th of July book. Just adorable. I love the images in here. It's super cute. Let's see when this one was from 1975. I also found an Alice in Wonderland little golden book. I haven't found one of these. This was a 2010 reprint of the 1951. When I go to make this, I'm going to have to add some embellishments here because it's a little rough around there, but the pages on the inside are pretty good. It's a really cute book as well. I like that. And then I found this Bambi Gets Lost Disney book. This one, I love this. This is so cute. And just look at this as the opening cover. Super adorable. This one is from 1972, a reprint of 1941. This is an adorable, really adorable book. Alright, and then I found a guide to familiar American trees. It's a golden nature guide, and I thought this would be great for fall journals or maybe botanical journals. And then I found a field guide to western birds. This one, I'm not sure if it has a date. 1941, 1961 is the latest reprint of that one. It has some really good pictures in here of different birds. I found a We Sing Children's Songs and Finger Plays, and this brings back memories from when my daughter was little and from when I was also little too. More from when I was little. This one was from 1985. But I remember my daughter had this with a cassette tape that we played for her, so that's really cute. And then I found The Night Before Christmas, and this is a Disney story tape, like a cassette tape book. It didn't have the cassette tape with it, but I really like the little book. It's adorable. And this was actually a free book because one of the thrift stores I went to, there were certain colors on their books that were free, and it was pink and green. So this was a green and it was free. So that was really cute. I found a couple of these books. They're from the 1970s, and this one's called The Book of Fantastic Machines. And I thought these would be great to use in some Father's Day journals that I want to make. So this one is really cool. This is from 1974, and it just has a bunch of different machines from different time periods. And it just is really neat. It's a history of machinery. I love the images in here. So this is a really cool book. I can't wait to use this. And then I also found one that is the Book of Fantastic Planes. The same sort of book, a historical book. It shows the history of planes. The next book I found is this Simplicity sewing book. And this was also from the 1970s, as you can tell. From 1969. So right before the 70s. So it has some really retro images in it. So this will be great for sewing theme. Look at that fabric there. Polyester double knit. This reminds me of course, these styles are all coming back now. It's funny to see my daughter, who is 21, she's starting to wear like the really high-waisted pants, and which was a lot of the 90s as well. But everything is coming back around. And I think we're not in really one certain style these days. It's kind of a combination of every decade of the years. Kind of see it all. Some of the 80s now and the 90s, as well as some of the 70s styles. I found a couple pieces of sheet music. This one is called Good Night, Sweetheart, and I thought this would be great for Valentine's Day. And then I found this one called Parakeets in Birdland. So if I do a bird-themed journal, that would be great for that. I found a Wizard of Oz coloring book. This isn't, I don't think this is really old, so from the early 2000s, but I do have an old Wizard of Oz book. So I want to make a journal of Wizard of Oz. So this will be great to add in to that journal. And then the last thing I found, it was this Disney Collection Easy Piano book. And it just has a bunch of songs from all different movies, including, there is Dumbo in here. There's several songs from Dumbo. There is from The Fox and the Hound, Pete's Dragon, 101 Dalmatians, Mary Poppins, which is cool, the Aristocats, Cinderella. That awesome. I'm doing a Cinderella junk journal right now for somebody that it's like a special order from Etsy. So be on the lookout for that. I may put together another Cinderella book and just put that up in my shop. So I've started that, and I think I'm going to be filming some of the process for that this week. So possibly Thursday or Friday. So be on the lookout for that. So, oh, the Little Mermaid's in here. Just several different Bambi. So this is a great book for my journals. So I hope you like this. I really love all these things that I've found, and be on the lookout for my upcoming journals that I'll be using these in. And I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.